What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a free $30,000 mystery box. Yes, this was sent to us completely for free, and if you can't tell by the logo on the front, this video is sponsored by Whatnot. Now, the reason why it is free is because we are giving away every single pair of shoes in this box completely for free to you guys over on Whatnot on a live stream happening September 30th at 3 p.m. Eastern. Now, we're going to talk about that a little bit more in this video. Again, this is sponsored by Whatnot. We teamed up together to go ahead and give away some crazy pairs. Now, this is a mystery box that they dropped off. I don't know what's inside, but it is a massive box. It has some latches, stuff like this. It was not delivered perfectly like this. It was all wrapped up and everything. It had to be put together by their team, but I'm super excited because we're literally giving away every pair. So we're gonna talk about Whatnot and the app a little bit later in the video, but I think it's time to just open this bad boy up and see what's inside. So I don't know how many pairs. All I know is $30,000 worth. So there's gotta be some heat in here, and you guys are getting it for a giveaway. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think this top pulls up here is what they instructed me. Let's pull this up. So it looks like we have the Whatnot logo there. We have one big box here, and then there's a drawer right here. Oh, Nick, go ahead and check it out. Already, look what's on top.
Okay.
That's a Nick special right there. He's got 3 pairs of that particular shoe. What you're gonna do? So I'm gonna close this off and not speculate onto what's on that top thing there. We're gonna save that for last. So let's go ahead and start pulling this out. I'm just gonna start with a heater. Usually it's a little bit slower to start, but I'm gonna start with a banger. This is a special box Nike SB Travis Scott. So Nick has 3 pairs. This is one of his favorite shoes. Size 11.5. So that's my size, but I don't get this shoe. So
I'm gonna have to do the bidding for you on the Whatnot.
Yeah, that kind of sucks that it is my size, but doesn't matter. It's completely free to you guys. We got the paper here. Let's pull these out. This is the Travis Scott Nike SB. Very popular. I think these are trading around the $1,800 range now. They've gone down a bit. The cool thing about these is that they have a cutaway material. So this right here cuts off. Nick has 3 pairs and all 3 of them are cut. So I'll put up a picture or something, a video of these pairs that are cut. So this is one of his favorite shoes. This is a really clean shoe. I've had a couple pairs before. I never really wore them that much, so that's why I don't have them anymore. I don't have any more pairs. So that's a special box, size 11.5. And I'm thinking we have some variation in sizing here, so like everybody can get a different pair. So let's go ahead and open these up. Next up, Jordan 1. We have a size 8, so if you're a size 8, you can win this one over there. We have an Obsidian Jordan 1 in a size 8. So this is a very popular shoe. They came out, I don't know, 2 years ago. They came out, they weren't going for that much. And I think they're up in the $450, maybe $500 range. Everybody seemed to like this colorway a lot after it came out. So that's a good one right there. So what is Whatnot? Whatnot is a live shopping auction platform based around community. The app features live sneaker shows 24/7 with prices starting at $1. Know exactly what you're buying or bidding on, win, and have the shoes shipped to you in no time. So one of the things I like about Whatnot is not just like a regular sneaker app. They are kind of making it more like community where you can put stories on there. You can go on the app and there's always live streams going on. People are like breaking boxes of sports cards. You have people with mystery boxes opening them and then starting the auctions at $1. So you can go on at any time. There's always a live stream, a different stuff that you may be interested in. If you check out the link in the description down below and download the Whatnot app, they will give you $10 for your first purchase on Whatnot. Like I said before, we'll be hosting our first live stream on September 30th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're gonna be giving away everything that you see in this box. Each individual pair will be given away. They have an awesome feature on the app to go ahead and do giveaways. So go ahead, check that out. Come join the live stream because I've not done one in literally like 2-3 years. Now let's go ahead and jump back in and see what's in this mystery box. All right, we got a Jordan 4 next, I think. That looks like the box. What's cool about this giveaway feature on Whatnot is that we're gonna be live streaming. First time I'm live in like 2 to 3 years. There's gonna be individual winners for each of these shoes. Not one person can win all of them. We're gonna have individual winners for as many shoes as we have here, which is pretty cool. So it's exciting to unbox these things, and it's like risky when I spend my money, but it's cool that I'm able to unbox them and give them back to you guys this time. So 30K worth. Let's see. We got Fire Red Jordan 4s. Another recent one right there. This is a pretty solid one. I think they're in like the $300-$400 range right now. Clean colorway. You can't go wrong with white, black, and red. And these are size, what, 10? Size 9. Size 9 Fire Red 4s. That's a good one. Value-wise, we're probably like $2,500, $3 grand almost maybe right now after 3 shoes. So let's keep it going. Let's pull these out. Let's see. Another Jordan 1. We have, I paused for a second because I was going to say multiple Jordan 1s. We have a SB, Jordan 1, and a Jordan 4. So good variation. These are the University Blue Jordan 1s. Another one shot up, a couple $100, $400 I think now, $450 for a pair. Super clean. These look like they're size 12, so close to my size. Very clean colorway. I think the UNC colorways are going really good right now. And the next box I see is another UNC colorway. So good one right there. Let's pull the next one out. We got a 12, 8, 10, and then we got a Jordan 6. This is a Jordan 6 UNC. So the UNC is coming in hot right now. Pull these out. Jordan 6 UNC, size 10. I don't really wear 6s much. It's just not really my shoe. They don't look good on me, but I can respect the colorway. And let's Let's see. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep moving. Let's see. We have 1, 2. I did not even notice this box though sitting right there. I think this is what I think it is. I have not seen these yet. Let me pull these out. I think these are going for like $2,000 right now. This is what I believe. I think it's called the Lost and Found Jordan 1. So you see you have like the sale tag there. I think it's, so this is the Jordan 1 Chicago that's supposed to be remade, I believe. So it's remade into today's day and age, but it's supposed to be weathered already. So you can see like the box, it's kind of like a weathered box. You got the price tag there, it's the sale on it. Size 9, wish it was an 11, but it doesn't matter. We have like the newspaper looking wrapping there. Let's open this up and see. It's my first time seeing these in person. Dang, these are kind of nice. Chicago Jordan 1s. You can tell they're weathered a bit. This isn't exactly white. It's kind of like a yellowed. Then you have cracking here on the side, which is pretty cool. You have cracking up here like it's a 1985 Jordan 1 Chicago. So, oh, the bottom also. Check that out. You can see. If you've seen older pairs, you'll have known that they kind of like age like that. I don't know exactly what the process is called. Oh yeah, there's also a receipt in here. This is like a remade receipt, and it says 8/30/86 Air Jordan basketball shoe. Paid cash final sale. So that's pretty cool. So another shoe they're kind of paying homage to an older pair. I mean, to me, I'm trying to think. I don't know about you, Nick. Would you rather have a new 85 or an older 85?
I'd probably rather have an OG just cause like...
Yeah, I think to display, definitely an older pair, and for the like nostalgia. For this, I mean, to wear, I think this is cool. But there's a lot of iterations of the Jordan 1 Chicago, so I don't know. That's gonna be a good one. They're already in the like $1,800 range, I think. Crazy, crazy. Maybe if they've gone down a bit. But let's keep going. Looks like we have a dunk here. This is probably, if I had to guess, the most popular dunk of the last 2 years. This is a size 8.5 women's Panda dunk. If you guys don't know, over 2,000 pairs of these are sold every 3 days on one of the most popular sneaker apps right now. That's how many pairs these are going out. It is crazy how many people are buying these. So if you're size 8.5 and women's and you need a pair, join the live stream. Keep going. We got some Unions. This is a Union Nike Dunk, I believe. This is the box. Union LA, size 14, massive size. And it is in the Laker colorway, one of my favorites. These shoes are a little bit different. I was like really like hyped on them at first, and then I got a pair and I never really wore them. I think just the dunk qualities lately aren't the best, as well as this colorway is a little bit unique with like the kind of the graphing there. So this is pretty cool though. I think these are in the $300-ish range, but you know, we've had some heavy hitters, but nothing too crazy, like 1,500, 1,800, 2,000. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs left, so we'll see, plus main pair. Let's pull out this one. This is gonna be a Cardinal Jordan 3. So I remember when these came out a couple months ago. These sat for a little bit. I think the retail price is a little bit higher, so tended to leave them to sit a bit. But these are a size 11. These go for about $250, I think, maybe a little bit less around retail. Nothing crazy. Those were out. They're in malls for a while. We saw them there many times, so nothing crazy. Or Jordan 1s. So the thing with Jordan 1s is they could either be worth $100 or they could be worth 10,000. You never know from this box, because there's like the Art Basel Jordan 1s, like there's all kinds. But we have Pine Green Jordan 1s right here. These ones are a little bit unique. They have like a very like nice quality looking leather, but it's kind of like an artificial, like really tumbled leather. It's weird. I remember when these came out, they were initially gonna go for a lot of money, and then they dropped down to like 150, and I don't even know where they're at now. But these ones are a size, looks like an 8, 8.5. So 8.5, and we're starting to run out of room. We have 4 left. I think we need to pull in a table and move these on. Looks like we have like 10 pairs so far, so 14 will be total besides the main one. So let's just pull all these out, make it easier. These are, I know what those are, by the box. More Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s. Another Jordan 1, close that up. So let's go for a Jordan 1 since we have a couple of them. These are, let's see, Core Purples. Go Ravens. Ravens won yesterday against Patriots, so shout out to the Ravens. Go Ravens. This is the Core Purple. Pretty cool, clean colorway. These ones are a size 10.5. Price range of these, shoot, I could be way off. Maybe 350. I like literally have no clue. I just don't keep up with prices. I have so many sneakers in my brain, like names and prices, and it's like so hard to keep up, literally. This box, we flew up to Pittsburgh actually for this one. When we got this one, we were buying my GT3 RS, which is now gone. Garage update video will be coming sometime soon. So we have a car on order that should be here in a couple weeks. So maybe we'll get some updates for you guys soon. This is a size 13. I believe this is the Visionaire or Rebellionaire. I think it's a Rebellionaire. I think it's a Rebellionaire because of that. There's another one that's out that's like a yellow, and it's like the similar style box. It's white and yellow, but this is the Rebellionaire, I believe, and is marked after the Shadow Jordan 1. These are going in the $250 range. my mind is right. All right, let's go to these last two here. You know what this is, if you know. This is the Jordan 11 box. Cool gray 11s. Very, very clean shoe. Don't wear 11s too much, but that's a very iconic Jordan 11, as well as the colorway is just so clean. So you can wear that with a lot. But 11's another one, just don't really look that great on me. No, I only have a certain amount of shoes that look good on me, but that is not one of them. So this is the last one before the main one, which I can start speculating soon. But if I had to guess, I can't guess. This is Jordan 1 box. Size 10.5, we have a pair of dark marina blue Jordan 1s. Another one, probably about $200 range. Aren't going that crazy right now, but again, another great shoe and another different size for you guys to win. So I'm excited about that we have these 14 pairs. But to me, this is not $30,000. This ain't even close. So whatever's in there has got to be a banger. So I think we gotta open this up. I think we gotta go for it. Okay, doing some rearranging. We are going for the last pair now. Let's open this up, pull this up, and pull out the pair. And I don't know. The amount of shoes that I've seen, it's hard for me not to speculate on what this could be. It's a larger square box. Most of these boxes are rectangles. So it's a larger square box. If I'm gonna give you any hints now to leave a comment what you think it is, think of the color on this box. It's the only thing I'm gonna say before we open it. So comment now and subscribe and leave a like on the video. Don't forget. All right, let's just open this thing up. Let's unwrap this and see what we have. I kind of have an idea what it could be, which is like insane. This is that, because this is worth $20,000, $30,000. That would be the biggest single shoe giveaway we've ever done on this channel. So shout out Whatnot for wanting to work together on this to give away some pairs for you guys. So let's open this up. That's a hint. That was my thought, is that this shoe would have to do with that color. And it's hard not to think that, just because shape of the box. The shape of the box is like a very dead giveaway. So these, if you can't tell on the front, oh, size 11, magnetic anti-gravity. I think we had a size 11 when we bought the Back to the Future mystery box. I think it was 11 because I put them on. Back to the Future, we have the Air Mags, the Nike Air Mags, iconic sneaker in this game. Back to the Future authenticated little plaque here. These are not the self-lacing ones that are like 150,000, but these are the ones that they're the original first pair, and these are dead stock size 11. Getting a price on these is so difficult because they're so rare and like not many sell, but these do. Let's see if they're charged up. The lights turn on, as you can see. Air Mags. This is one that I've never owned and worn. There's a lot of other YouTubers that have done that. I have not done that. I just don't know how I would wear this. But these are insane. You guys, if you don't remember Back to the Future, this is just such a crazy shoe, and it's hard to value these. These could be worth 20, 30. Pricing is all over. I saw like a size 13 was like $35,000. So this is insane. The fact that one person is getting these is crazy. Like, this has to be the largest thing. Like, we've done some pretty big shoe giveaways, like we gave away a whole $50,000 crate, but like not one single shoe that was worth this much to one person. That's nuts. So here we have all the pairs. There's 15 total sneakers, 14 over here, this one major one. So do not forget, on September 30th, which is going to be this Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be going live on there. Nick will be on the app over there checking it out. He'll be in the comments and all that. So make sure you guys go ahead, download the Whatnot app right now in the link in the description down below, and you'll get $10 off of your first purchase through the Whatnot app. So go ahead, download the Whatnot app. I'm gonna be using that app for a lot more than just this video. This is gonna be one that I can use to sell a lot of my pairs of shoes, give you guys steals. So look out for that here in the future, and look out for that live stream. This is the first time I live stream in 2-3 years, so this should be exciting and fun. I'm excited for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Do not forget to go ahead and be at that live stream for this giveaway. Completely free. We're gonna be giving away on the live stream, so go ahead and check that out. I will see you guys next time. This is Harrison and Nick signing out.